Hello students, welcome to the class. I'm Yogita. Our subject is CNET, Nursing Education for Nurses, and today we are going to learn about teacher education. Now, definitely a teacher is the soul of this educational program where who is imparting knowledge to the student, who help the students in a teaching learning process or educational process. But now, from where these teachers are gaining the education, that's very important. That is what called that what this concept which comes under this education, teacher education. Now teacher education means it's a sound program which make the particular individual as a full-fledged teacher. They are getting all the skills, knowledge, essential qualities when they undergo for such a training program. So this is also called as teacher training program. Now this teacher education program mainly has got two types. One is continuing education, one is in service education. Now continuing education means where the individual is acquiring certain programs, undergoing for certain educational programs and enhancing, improving their knowledge, their practice, their performance skills. Now in service education means where the individual is already working under certain institution. The institution is organizing such program where the teacher is undergoing that program to improve herself, to know her students, to know her ability to improve herself. She requires such kind of a training or kind of like a short term course program. So that is called as in service education program. Now the total function of teacher education mainly to improve the knowledge level. Now when the teacher is undergoing for certain programs, a teacher is improving her knowledge, improve her skills. A teacher can acquire lot of skills, personal and professional skills, which is essential in her teaching learning process, which is essential to be a good teacher. Gain the confidence when they are undergoing a certain programs. They are developing a confidence to face the students, learn the different skills and present that, improving their presentation skills, the way of presenting their teaching program, that will be improved. They are getting that, gaining that confidence. Develop their communication. A teacher is learning to build a communication, a rapport, understand the students, improve their level of communication, deliver the speech, deliver the class in the right way so that all the students are able to follow her class. So communication will be developed. Develop a good human relationship. That's a very very important function of a teacher education, where teacher is first of all she will be the good human being, then she will develop a good human relationship with her colleagues, with her teacher, so that she is improving the social adjustment, social life of herself and her students, so that they're having a good social adjustment. So these all are the important functions of teacher education. Now how do you select a teacher educator? That's very important question. How do we select this teacher? First we will check for their physical health. The teacher or educator one who come to this profession, they should be physically fit, mentally fit. They should have a quality of social adjustment, good emotional stability, good communication. So they are able to handle some languages, linguistic, and able to make some social adjustment, because there will be a cultural difference or regional difference, language difference. Based on that, a person should able to make the differences. Person is able to make the adjustment. A recruitment, a selection and retaining the people based on a requirement. So this is the way we can select the teacher educator. Then the problems faced in teaching education or teacher education. One is economical problem of finance. There will not be a sufficient fund or budget to conduct the best program. Social problems like some political issues, political pressures, or some influences that you select only this person, that person is my known person, relative. In that case, a right candidate who is genuinely interested in teaching profession may lose the seat, and one who is dumb may enter into the profession. lack of physical facilities. A particular program, educational program which is derived from that particular institution, they may not have a good infrastructure, no lab, no aided schools, no training, no internship. Then definitely the outcome is one who is coming out, they may not be a good teacher. Next, some social crisis, moral values, a defect, yeah, deficiency of moral values, ethics, personal ethics, and some of the social crises or political pressures, or there is no sufficient schools to go for a training program, and a lack of study hours duration particular week, maybe it's 1 year program, in that so many holidays come, leave will come, all of sudden unplanned some strike, something happened, so shortage of working hours. So these all are the problem which will affects the teacher education. Now next, where and all you can acquire this teaching program, where and all you can undergo for this teacher training program, your teacher education. One is DIET, D-I-E-T, District Institution of Education and Training. So one can undergo under DIET for the teacher training program, where elementary school skills and personal professional skill of teaching will be trained here. Then NCRT, National Council of Education Research and Training. Here, an individual can apply and go for a teacher training educational program. Then, NIEPA, National Institution of Educational Planning and Administration. It's from New Delhi. They organize a teaching program where you can undergo for a training and you can come out as a full-fledged teacher. Then NCTE, National Council of Teacher Education. This will under Government of India, Ministry of Human Resource Development setup of National Council. Here, a very important function is to train the teacher. They'll have a particular curriculum, a syllabus to study, and they will be a full-fledged teacher. So these are the different programs where we can offer teacher education. DIET, D-I-E-T, NCERT, NIPA, NIEPA, and one more is NCTC. So under these four categories, we can offer a teacher training program or teacher education program. So this is all about teacher education. I hope you understood. We learned the types of teacher education, continuous and in-service education, and different problems, how do you select the teacher, and where do you have the educational programs. So please go through. You can expect 2 3 yeah 4 5 marks question at the most. Then you can write, definitely you can write this answer. I hope you understood. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next class with a new concept. Thank you all.